So hello, welcome back guys. So in this video we will be working on the UI according to the data that we received from the RED2. So I have two terminal. Instead of showing in the right side panel, I move down so we can know that which one is client and which one is ABI easily. So I will run for the ABI first and B8 node more index.js. So we are running our server in port 3000 for the client ambient run def. So we will get our server. So now we have got the images, dynamic images from the products database. So I will go into the client folder and src component products. So in here we don't have page into the pages because maybe later we might use, because right now we don't have pagination data. It's come from actually the products, but I didn't make any like page or do the page number or something. I just only return all the product list here, so we will not have this value in our data when we fetch. So it's totally not a problem. We will remove for now to the page and pages, so we only receive products. So here we just already loop through the product list we got from the API, and the key we use is ID and image, and then I will use the name. Okay, so we will say, yeah, we use the product dot we have product dot, yes, product dot name, so it will be showing our product name. This one will be description, rating, and number view. Okay, we can say PLD use the product dot num name and name review REVIEW. Okay, so number review. This one will be product PLD UCD product dot price. So that's it pretty much about it. So we will go and check here. So everything is changed. Okay, so we will say instead of number review count. Okay, so we will say like this. So it will be review count. So the price and everything is fine. If I click on here, I would like to go to the product detail page. So what I will do is I have a href tab here. So instead of A, I will say link. Okay, I will say link. So that link is from the rear router. Okay, rear router DOM, we have a link. So I will import first. I will import link from rear router DOM. So we will use that link. I will go here and I will close with the link. So here instead of saying href, we have to say to. So we will go to the we will use backtick here because we will be using the so backtick like this. So we'll use like this. Inside backtick we can define the string BLDUCDS and the ID of the product ID. So product /1, product /2, okay, according to the ID we will be redirect to the link. Perfect. So when we go into the we will go and check. Okay, I will click here. Let's say, so we got product undefined, which means that we don't have the ID in here. So we have only underscore ID. So this one I will go and refresh, go back, and then so we got our product ID here. Okay, so let's check the API localhost 3000 /API/product. So we have a product So if I say ID, like we will fetch from this ID product slab. So we got the data, actual data, okay, actual data. We got the actual data. So by doing that, so we got the actual data from here. PRODUCTS. Okay, so I will go and check in the product. We have no product, we have detail. Okay, that's one. PRODUCTS. We will say PRODUCTS. Okay, so I will come and check again here. Yes, so we are in our product detail page. If I go back to the home page and left click something, so it should be redirect to the product slab, the ID of the product. So in here we will be design the UI here. Okay, let's do it. So we go to the page, project detail page. So in here we bring the ID. Okay, so we should receive the prom. Let me check prom or okay. So yeah, use the parameter. We'll use the parameter. So here we can say const ID equal to use params. Okay, so using that use param from real router DOM, we can fetch the ID from the URL. So I hope you might remember in the first lesson in part 17 we built the redo for the product detail as well. So this one we will be using like with the ID. We will fetch from the API and then we assign the payload data back to the product reducer. Okay, here product reducer. So according to the state, we will have the product with the review and the data will be here. So we have to do the same thing like we do product list. So we have to use dispatch. DISPADCH dispatch equal to use DISPADCH. So it will be using from React redo. So after that, we will say const PRODUCT product. This one we will not use product list reducer. We will use product in the action product action. Okay, so this is product list action and this is product reducer. We'll use this one. So product reducer equal to use selector. We'll use selector from the real redo. So in the use selector we will have state and the arrow return function state with the product reducer. Okay, so inside that we should apart from that we should define loading error and then we will get the single product PRODUCT data from the product reducer. Okay, from that product reducer, and then we have to call the action in order to get this data using use effect. Use EFFECT. Use effect. Inside use effect, we have to create another arrow function key with the using dispatch. Okay, so we have to dispatch our product action with the ID that we receive from the user parameter. So using dispatch product action ID, and we have to declare again with the dispatch that we consume and the ID as well. So the use spell will be walk when we call this component as a default. So after that, what we can do is let me check here. We have got the error. Where is that? API. Okay. Where's that error? Where is that error? Yeah, here everything is fine. So for the product, like we do in our product list, we have to check, like if I go here, if it is loading, we will say loading. If it is error, we will say error. Then the rest will be the UI. Okay, so I will say like this, and then this UI should be moved inside this code, and then we have to close our here, this one. Oops. Let me check again. Where okay, we have to close with the okay. So for now, loading and error is okay. Now we have to bring our product, like image. For the image, let's say product.img is image. So if I go here, yeah, so product.image is showing here. So this will be brand name, and I will show the brand name and the character in the something like, okay, so character in the rate is will be product.name. Okay, so yeah, so this one will be product.name, and then review rating. So we should have the, yeah, so we don't have for now. That's fine. And maybe we can say, yeah, review count. No, review, yes, and the price count in stock. Let's say full review. Okay, so we can say here, instead of full review, we can say here review. So here is might be the price. Dollars PLDUCT dot price. So that will be great. Price we will use with the dollar sign. Okay, so this is review, and this one will be product description. Yeah, so this one will be product description. So PRO product.d SCIPTN1 product description. So for the color and side, we will leave it like this. So this one will be price as well, and the add to cart, the bottom will be add to cart. Or we can remove the color and the size. So this one will be PRODU product.PRC price, and then this one will be add to CRT, add to cart. Okay, so for now, this is good. So we have got the product list from the API and the product detail from the each item. Okay, that's perfect. So I will see you in the next video. What will we do is we will do user authentication in the next video. User login, logout, register, and after that we will do add to cart and checkout. So this is the for now, and see you in the next video. Thank you.